Let's take a look now at grade 7 exponents. Let's go and see how we work with exponents and what's new in grade 7. So let's first of all start off with some terminology. So you know an exponent is when you've got something like this, 2 to the power of 3. So that 2 is referred to as your base, and this 3 is referred to as either your exponent or your power. And we know that 2 to the power of 3 means write the 2 3 times and then multiply it by itself. 2 times 2 times 2 would be 8. So the definition here is an exponent is a number that shows how many times a base is used as a factor. And here it's used 3 times, 2 to the power of 3, which gives you 8. What do we mean by a square number? Well, any number multiplied by itself. So a squared means a times a, or 3 squared would mean 3 times 3, or 9 squared would be 9 times by 9. What do we mean by a cube number? Well, this is the product of a number multiplied by itself 3 times. So a cubed is a times a times a, or 3 cubed would mean 3 times 3 times 3. And 3 threes are 9, and 9 threes are 27. What do we mean by power? This is an expression to show that a number is multiplied by itself a number of times. So for example, 2 cubed means a number 2 is multiplied by itself 2 times 2 times 2. It's multiplied 3 times by itself, which gives you 8. And that 3 tells you how many times to multiply it by itself. Okay, so how do we compare and represent our numbers in exponential form? Let's go and look at this again. So you can see here we've got 3 times 3. And what is 3 times 3? 3 times 3 means 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9. And we say 9 is a square number. What is 3 times 3 times 3? This time you've written the 3 times. So it's 3 cubed. So 3 cubed equals 27. And we say 27 is a cube number. And you can repeat this over and over again. If you say 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, that's 4 times. That gets you 3 to the power of 4. What about 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3? That's 5 times 3 to the 5. And so you go along 3 to the 6. So what is 3 to the 6? This means that the number 3 to the 6 is read as 3 to the power of 6, where 3 is known as your base and 6 is your exponent. So that is a quick introduction to exponents.